channel. If you're new here, my name is Pretty and I post 5 travel vlogs which include activities and adventures. So guys, as you read by title, I am going to be going to the Samuel LEEDS crash course in London. Yes, you guys have heard that right. We are going to London and it is early morning around 5:30 and it is full on pitch black outside and there is no way I can shoot a video outside. That's why I'm in my living room today, early morning, all the lights are on to shoot this intro for you guys. So I can't wait to go to Samuel LEEDS crash course all the way in London, so what are we waiting for? Let's get on the road and quickly reach there. The house and we are on the M1 and yeah, so as you can see it is still dark quite and it is starting to get quite light, but yeah. So it is 8 o'clock and we just got our breakfast from McDonald's. We wanted to have our breakfast at the hotel because it said that there was a whole, when you can have breakfast, there was a whole aeroplane view. But turns out they are only open for events. So that's why we had to get breakfast from McDonald's. So breakfast at the hotel was up. And today the fuel problem, there's no diesel anywhere, so that's why we just parked our car and gonna have our yummy breakfast. And guys, look behind me, we're parked next to a police van. Great start to the morning. So guys, we are finally here at the Digital Conference Centre and this is to tell that I have checked in, I have my blue wristband ready and my mum also got this raffle that if you're lucky enough you might win a chance, a 12-month advanced training program of Samuel LEEDS and you'll get all training. Hopefully we're lucky enough and we might win a raffle ticket. But yeah, I'm finally here and here it is and we are actually right next to Heathrow Airport Terminal 5 and I can see aeroplanes non-stop since I came here. And the venue isn't ready yet, so we're just like here outside and I wanted to tell you guys all about this. So I can't wait to meet Samuel LEEDS in person and go inside and learn a lot. Guys, we have just come from the crash course and it was really fun. And I'm not just saying it because I went, but actually you guys should go. It was really fun and it was really informative. And Samuel LEEDS' crash course, all I've seen lots of YouTube videos of his. I've seen that he gives a lot of information to even new people who are starting in property and some even who are experts in property even come there just to get more info and just like to see everyone trying to join into property. It was amazing and I really felt like connected because my mum, she's a real estate agent as I said in my videos previously, and if you haven't watched her video, I went by my mum all the way to Bishop Auckland and Middlesbrough. Guys, that is far from Leicester and that video is right here, make sure you see it. I went all day with her and it was very fun. I'm not going to spoil that video, but make sure you see it. It is around property if you like that. So back to this video, it was really fun, you guys should really go and it is around 9:30 right now. I've been awake around 5 as you saw the intro. Now I am really tired because when we went there, like at the end of the crash course, like my mum was networking with all the people and the course like ended at around 7ish and so my mum's phone battery was dying and I forgot that time, but after we came back, like when we were on the highway, I was like, oh my god, Mum, wait, we forgot to do the outro. But because her phone was dying, she said that when we get home, we'll do it. It's fine, we'll do it then. So now that I'm here, I'm doing the outro, and I am really sleepy right now, guys. It has been a long day, and so, oh my god, guys, but it was amazing there, and you guys should definitely go. And one thing was a bargain there. So the bargain was that he was selling his rent-to-rent course. Yes, guys, rent-to-rent, and I'll tell you something after this. His rent-to-rent course is £8,000, but he was saying it right now, right then, first come first, £2,000, guys. It is a 4-day course, 8,000 to 2,000, and he said you can go get it right now. So I saw a lot of people rushing out of their seats right to go get the form to fill out to get the £2,000 course, and so did my mum, guys, because who wouldn't? From an £8,000 to 2,000 from a property expert, who wouldn't? I mean, so my mum did go get it, and I saw him in real life, and I've seen plenty of videos of him, because my mum is into real estate, as I said, and she's been into real estate since I was 3. Yes, guys, that's right. So since I was 3, she's been into real estate, and I'd always, like, after school, be in the office, sit on the sofa, see lots of people coming in to either sell their house, buy it, rent it, or just ask questions. So I've seen lots of people come in and come out, seen the office really busy, and so my mum's always, whenever I try to ask a question, either she's with someone and she's like, just one sec, or she's either on the phone every time, hi, yes, the price for that, giving offers in, if they've been agreed, telling the buyers, sellers, everything. So I've seen it all, and she'd also take me to viewings. And so since I was basically 3, I've had a lot of interest in property, because I've seen my mum grow up in that field. I liked it too, because she'd take me everywhere. She'd like given me the experience since I was 3, so now I'm like, I want to do that. So I'm interested. So the reason why I didn't shoot a lot of video inside is because, I didn't want to distract other people from learning, because there was a lot of information, and if you miss one bit of information, it can cost you. So without, like, we were all like concentrating, and so was I. Even though I was the youngest person there, everyone was adults, I was the only kid there. But still, I was concentrating too, because I want to go in that field. So yeah, and then also, that is 2 points which I didn't want to shoot video inside. But if you guys want to see the full crash course, make sure you go to Samuel LEEDS' channel, because he shows everything about property. He knows basically everything, and so make sure you check out his channel, because he will show all the crash course and everything. And it was really empowering, and it was just really inspiring that time, and the whole crowd there, all the seats were full, literally, all the seats, and it was really empowering and lively, and he would be on stage, and he would like speak in his mind and ask questions, and if whoever wants to answer it, puts their hand up like a question, but then either the mic people, they come and give you, or he calls you up on stage and says. So it was really fun and all. But yeah, and it was really fun, and the thing is, I really enjoyed it, and I will be going to all his crash courses with my mum, because she goes to literally everyone. And before I went to this crash course, I was like, why do you go to all of them? Why? And then she was like, okay, she showed me the videos. I was like, still, why? Because I didn't quite get it. And then she took me to this crash course. Now I realize why, because there is a lot of information. And the thing is, the first time my mum went to Samuel LEEDS' crash course, so the first time, not this one, my mum's been to plenty ones before this. This is the 4th one. So the first one my mum went to. So I was at school, and she told me, oh, I'm going to Samuel LEEDS' crash course. I knew who he was, because we'd always watch videos about him. So I was like, oh, nice, like, okay. And the thing is, the crash course, you only have to pay £1, guys. Like, it's not, you have to pay £100 to go in, or like £50. It's not expensive at all. Anyone can basically go. You pay £1 and you can go in, and you get so much information. Literally, you get a lot of information. And I'm not just saying this, but actually it's true. And so my mum went to the crash course and I was at school. And then when I came back at home and she came after, she was like, right from the first crash course, she gave her notice to her workplace and was ready to quit because she knew has been in the property field since a long time, since I was 3, and now I'm going to be 13 nearly. And so she gave her notice to her workplace, and it was really, I was like, wait, what? Because all of a sudden she was like, I'm going to quit my job because I want to do my own business. I was shocked at first because I was like, wait, what? Because it was a shock because she never told me anything about this, and then all of a sudden she says, I'm going to quit my job. And then I was like, wait, why? And she was like, because I've been in property field for a long time. I want to start my own business. I was like, wow, yeah, okay. And then at first I was like, okay, let's see that. And then now she has her own business, not working for anyone, self-employed, and now, guys, it is really fun because now I am the boss baby. She's the boss. I'm her kid's a boss baby, and I really like it. And I do always see her on the phone. And whenever we try to watch a movie, always, every time we're like this, starting the movie, and her phone rings, and she's like, sorry, I have to answer this. I'm like, I know, it's fine. And then because she's doing it and she really likes her job now, rather than, she did like her job before, but now because it's her own business. And so it's only been 4 months that she started her own business, and I can tell the difference between when she used to have a job at her old workplace, when she used to work under a boss, and now she is the boss. You can tell a massive difference. And now she is smashing it in property, and literally she's doing property sourcing, by letting, sales, everything, literally everything, you name it. And so the name, if you guys have any questions, it's Burstdale Homes. Yes, that's right. I'll say it one more time. It's Burstdale Homes. So that I am the boss baby. So make sure you guys, if you have any questions, follow Burstdale Homes on Instagram. And I'll put a card right here. That is my mum's card. That's the photo. And oh my god, guys, I'm really happy for her. And also me, because she always asks me, you know that she's on the phone most of the time, but I do the paperwork. Guys, that's right. You must be weirded out. I do the paperwork. So she sends me the contracts. I print them out. I fill out the details. I give them to her. So I do a lot of the stuff for the company. But yeah. And so she does the forms and meets with the buyers and sellers, while I do the administrative work, so I'm really happy about that. And also, because of this crash course, I was tested on what is rent-to-rent, what is HMO, what does buying and selling literally mean, why do you want to be in property, what do you want to be when you're older. My mum was full on serious about this, and if you meet my mum, you know, she's not a normal mum, like, oh, it's fine. She is hardcore, literal hardcore, but it's all for the best anyway. So I learned what is rent to rent, I learned what is HMO, and you guys must be thinking, maybe you might know, but you guys must be thinking, what is that? Well, guys, I am no explanation needed because I know them already. I know rent to rent, I know HMO, I know what I literally want to be when I'm older. I know whenever somebody comes and asks me, I have a right answer to them what that means. And so, guys, it was really fun, but now as you can see, my voice is running to nose and I have a cold, so really want to go to sleep. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to see more content on crash courses and property, make sure you check out Samuel LEEDS' channel, and also follow on Instagram me, adventure_with_pretty. Make sure to follow me, and not also me, also follow Burstdale Homes. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!